Hi guys, welcome back to Cooking Delights. Do you remember my last video of my carnivore taco omelettes? We said there was going to be a part 2. Well, this is our part 2. I am going to attempt to make a cheese bowl. Okay, what we've got, our list of ingredients are mature cheddar. I buy the block cheddar because if you buy the grated cheddar, it has starches in it that help separate the grated cheese. So we don't want that, so that's why I use a block and grate my own. I've got avocado mayonnaise for a little bit of a kick, jalapeno peppers, and this is the taco mince that we made in our omelette wrap, so I'm going to use that. And to season the cheese, again, I love my garlic, so I've got garlic salt, garlic pepper. It is a sort of a carnivore, but I'm adding these two ingredients to make it more of a keto recipe. So as you can see, I've got a fairly large chunk of grated cheese separated into two, which is easy to handle for me. And what we're going to do now is use our box grater on the big setting and grate it. As you can see now, all the cheese is grated. I don't need to put it into a bowl because mine comes with a container already. So what we're going to do now is transfer this into our frying pan. So the frying pan is on low heat, and what I'm going to do is to sprinkle it in and cover it evenly. And I says, because I'm attempting this, we'll see how it goes. As you can see, it's slowly bubbling. You want to keep it on a low-ish heat because what you don't want it to separate. And what you want to do, you want to brown it underneath. So just be patient and let it cook.
2 very boring minutes later. Five minutes later. Eleven minutes later. 15 minutes later.
Okay guys, I've just checked the timer. It's took 17 minutes to get to this point. What we're going to attempt to do now is to give it a flip. Wish me luck. I think that would be a success. It is brown nice on the one side. I think it won't take much longer, so I think we'll just give it another 5 minutes and see what it's like after that. What we're going to do now is put our taco mince that we cooked in our last series, and we're going to pop it into the microwave, and I'm going to set it for 4 minutes. Right, we're going to attempt to take our cheese wrap out and cover it without burning your fingers over the top of a bowl. sliding it across and pressing it in. And then what we're going to do now is, when that's position where you want it, we're going to leave that now to harden up. Okay, so what I'm doing now is I'm adding a few toppings to go on top of our taco cheese bowl. As you can see, the cheese bowl is still cooling at the moment. So I'm going to finely grate a little bit of lettuce. So this recipe is more of a keto version than a carnivore. It's still very low carb. You still get your fat intake. I'm just using a bit of salad that is keto friendly. So we've got lettuce, we've got cucumber, and we've got spring onion instead of normal onion. Just going to cut it into small chunks. And then when our bowl is completely cooled, we're going to fill it. And I'll get back to you when we've done that. Right guys, wish me luck. I'm going to now attempt to see if this cheese bowl has turned out to be a bowl. We have success. I'm using a tea towel because this is quite hot as it's just come out the microwave. We're going to add our lovely taco mince to the inside of our bowl. Arrange that. And then you can add whatever toppings you like. Because I'm keto, I'm just going to add a little bit of the onion. Lettuce, I mean. A little bit of the cucumber. And I think a little bit more lettuce over the other side. And then we're going to top it with some avocado mayonnaise. Much better than using Hellmann's mayonnaise. This is made out of avocado oil and not vegetable oil, which is much better for you. If you want to know where I got this from, guys, this is from Costco. This is where you buy this from, or you can get it on Amazon. And then I'm going to sprinkle a couple of jalapenos. And then I'm going to finish off with a sprinkling of spring onion. And there you have it, guys. Sprinkle of salt. Lovely garlic pepper, because you know I love it. And there you have it. After we put our last little bit of We don't want too much because we've already got a cheese bowl. But I thought we would just finish off with some light dusting of cheese. And that is our cheesy taco bowl. Okay guys, thank you for watching today's cooking delights. Stay tuned for our next carnivore keto recipe. Thank you very much guys. Bye bye.